What's up, YouTube? So one of these secret places I get free wood for my art projects are construction sites. Old concrete forms, to be exact. These old forms are destined for the dump, which is a waste of good wood and not looking out for the environment. The only real problem with this lumber is it's kinda covered in concrete. So in this video, I show you 2 easy ways I remove this concrete residue and leave my wood looking a little something like this. Now, before we get started, I'd like to ask for you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click the bell so you can be the first to know about all of my brand new videos. Let's begin. So, the first method I will demonstrate is, in my opinion, the fastest. I first clamp my piece of wood down to a table. Then I take a drill with a wire brush attachment and just brush off all the residue. Nice and simple. Then I just take my orbital sander and sand it down to clean up that surface. The second method is better for extreme concrete residue like this, because power tools and flying pieces of concrete aren't very good for your eyes. I simply just take a sharp putty knife and start scraping this junk off. Then I just give it a little sand job after. And even if you don't have any power tools at all, providing there isn't too much concrete residue on your wood, you can still use my third method, which is just wet your wood down with some water, whip that same putty knife out, and scrape off the residue. Then when you're all finished scraping, give it a quick rinse and voila! Now, one finishing step I do with all 3 of my methods is I scrub down the wood with some white vinegar. It kinda helps loosen up and remove any remaining stubborn residue. Then I just rinse it off once more and let it dry in the sun. And look at that! Doesn't this look a whole lot better than this? Now, for the next video, I show you how to turn this free wood into this beautiful piece of geometric wall art. I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching.